All right, so today we're doing lesson 14 and 15, but we will only be doing one section from each lesson. So for lesson 14, we're going to be evaluating expressions with exponents. So kind of piggybacking on what we've already been doing. So let's find the value of expressions with exponents. So we will be doing 14-3. So you're looking for the heading expression explosion. That's what we're going to be doing. So if you can go to expression explosion. Now, I am only going to be working out the left side, just so you're aware. Those are the ones that we're going to be doing right now. So we're going to just work these out. Okay, so you're going to take it one step at a time, like I kind of told you last time. So 5 squared is the same as 5 times 5, right? Well, 5 times 5, that's 25. So this technically becomes, sorry, that's an equal sign, 25 plus 4. So 25 plus 4 is 29. And that's your answer. Okay, so 2 to the 4th, right? That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 16. And you're going to take that 16 and you're going to multiply it to 5. So 16 times 5 is 80. So that's what you'll write for that one. So now this next one is 3 times 4 to the 2, or 4 squared, right? Well, 4 squared is the same as 4 times 4, which is 16. So what we're doing is 16 times this 3. So 16 times 3 is 48. Now, your homework for Khan Academy is going to look just like this. So this is exactly what it will look like for you when you work on Khan. Okay, and then we'll do the next 3. So 20 plus 2 to the 3rd. Okay, well, I always solve the exponents first. So 2 times 2 times 2, that's 8. So we're going to take that 8 and we're going to add it to 20. So that's 28. So that's your answer for that one. All right, well, I taught you in the last video, 2 to the 1 is just 2. So technically, this is just 9 times 2. So that's easy. It's 18. Okay, so now this one is probably going to be the most complex. And if I remember correctly, I didn't see anything like this on your homework for Khan, which is good news for you. But I'll work it out for you. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to start with the hard one, right? So 1/2 cubed, or 1/2 to the 3rd, is the same as 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. Okay, well, 1 times 1 times 1 is just 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So it's 1/8. So you're going to take 1/8 and you're going to multiply it to 1/9. So I'm going to rewrite it. 1/8 times 1/9. Well, 1 times 1, that's just 1. 8 times 9 is 72. So that's going to be your answer for that one. Okay, now we're going to do something a little more challenging. Section 15 is a little more hard. So I need you to go to, I believe we're doing the 3rd lesson as well, but equivalent exponential expressions. So we will investigate expressions with variables. So you have not really seen anything yet like this. Oh, I'm sorry, we're doing lesson 2. So 15-2, you're looking for the title, What's the Value, in lesson 15. So it says, evaluate each expression if the given value is X. So let me just do something first before we begin. Let's say I said X plus 2 is 5. Or no, let's just say I said, sorry, I'm making this up as I'm going right now. So let's just say I said X plus 2. And I tell you, well, I give you a rule. I say X is 5. Well, you know that you need to put 5 in for X. So this equation becomes 5 plus 2, which your answer would be 7, right? So that's just an easy example. So they're giving us a rule. X is 10. So what you do is you just rewrite this. I would do 3 times 10 squared, because I put 10 in 4x right there. That's all I did. And then you solve it like we've been doing in the other ones, right? So 10 squared is the same as 10 times 10, right? And you know that's 100. And then you do 100 times that 3. So you would get 300. Okay, so that's number 1. Now, number 2, I'm going to switch colors just so you know where I'm at. Your rule is, well, x is 1/9. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite 3 times 1/9 squared, right? That's what that becomes, and that's a times, sorry. Well, I'm going to rewrite this. This just becomes 3 times 1/9 times 1/9. Well, you could just do this. You don't need to really even rewrite it. Just put it over 1. Well, 3 times 1 times 1, and that's just 3. And then 1 times 9 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Right? Well, you could reduce those. You could divide each of those by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 81 divided by 3 is 27. So that would be your answer for number 2. Okay, and then this is about as hard as it's going to get. And I don't remember seeing anything on Khan Academy like that. So that's good news for you. Okay, so what we do is x is 4, right? So I'm going to rewrite. This means 4 to the 3 over 4, right? I'm going to rewrite that because it cut me off. 4 to the 3 over 4, right? Well, 4 to the 3 is the same as 4 times 4 times 4. And then you just keep your bottom number. Well, 4 times 4 times 4 is going to be 64. Divided by 4, and your answer is 16. Okay, so you're going to turn in your notes, and then we'll start the practice.